Shri Pradipto Sengupta, we request you to come onto the stage, but because we all await the felicitation of a legendary name in the world of mandolin, Shri Kishore Desai, avarige Gauravarpane. So may we have Shri Sengupta on the stage. We also have Shri Kamath and Mandolin Prasad. And for those of you who have probably only heard his music but not seen him, because often musicians are unsung despite making such a contribution to the world of music. A child prodigy himself, Shri Kishore Desai belongs to a traditional Gujarati family of industrialists based in Mumbai. And his orthodox grandfather, it is said, who was a textile mill owner, remained an inspiration for young Kishore to pursue his undying passion for music. With the active support of his encouraging father, Shri Jawaharlal Desai, 9-year-old Kishore Desai's meticulous education in the world of Hindustani classical music began. And ladies and gentlemen, today we have in Bangalore, Shri Kishore Desai, who at 15 years had already played mandolin for the first film song recording of his life. The deep friendship with musicians Kalyanji and Lakshmikant, coupled with his own extraordinary talent, reinforced Shri Kishore Desai's place in the film industry. Playing for many music directors of the 50s and the 1960s, Shri Kishore Desai lent a unique passion and energy with his instruments, mandolin as well as sarod. His overall musical training and understanding also enabled Shri Desai to contribute as assistant music director to many composers, and also has a few compositions to his credit. Recipient of the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award for his brilliant contribution to Indian film music. Shri Kishore Desai was also awarded the Swar Alap Lifetime Achievement Award in 2005. His songs that he played, including in Aa Ab Laut Chale from Jis Desh Mein Ganga Behti Hai, Aapki Nazron Ne Samjha, Ae Meri Zohra Jabi, Chand Aahe Bharega, Hum Tum Yug Yug Se from the movie Milan. Also, later on in movies like Natwar Lal and Asha, and Tu Jahan Jahan Chalega from Mera Saya. We are today proud and privileged to have in our midst and to be able to witness the felicitation and the Gauravarpane to Shri Kishore Desai on the occasion of the National Mando Festival. From a child prodigy to a musician extraordinaire, we thank you, Shri Kishore Desai, today for all that you have enriched our lives with. I'm sure the next time you hear all these songs in the retro section, we are going to remember musicians such as him who have played such a part and we get to know only very rarely. So idu bahala ondu atyanta aparupavada ondu kshana antane helbodu, and we are indeed privileged to be here. We request all the musicians on the stage for this rare moment of photograph. Later on during the day, you will probably have a chance to pay your respects to Shri Desai and to all the musicians you see on stage. Today is a day such as that, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate this instrument and its place in the larger system of Indian music. Thank you. And I request Shri Prasad to also extend a token of gratitude to Shri Kamath, who spoke to us a few minutes earlier. Much to be learned and heard and witnessed today. And in the evening, you can also bring your friends and music lovers to Chaudhaya. Entry is open and free for all. How mandolin was used in Kannada film music and Hindi film music, that's something we're going to witness in the evening. And you won't imagine your luck. Shri Kishore Desai will now play a couple of songs for us. There has to be some bonus and perks for all of us audience. So this is that moment, and the man who you only heard behind the scenes when thousands of times we must have heard it on the radio or on the television. How about also hearing him speak? Should we make him speak? Can I hear a... Indeed. Shri Desai, आपका स्वागत है.
My friends, it was a long awaiting moment. I was counting days to be with you. And the day has come. And I am so delighted. And I have no words to express my gratitude. But I will try and play 2 songs for you. I will render my feelings by playing mandolin. You will be surprised. Mr. Sri Ramchandra, music director, also was playing mandolin. His wife, when they were not married, she was also playing mandolin. His wife was a owner of the building. Sri Ramchandra was tenant, and Ben, his wife, used to come and learn mandolin from Sri Ramchandra. And they had a ending with a marriage, and they both were playing mandolin, and because they had no children, I was the fortunate one to be a mandolin to his son. He has given me so much of training in music, and that is what I am expressing. And another thing, that the mandolin is world best mandolin. It is presented by my sister Madhuri. She is here in Bangalore. 50% I am Bangalorean, and I am so happy to be there. And thank you very much.